Okay. What you must understand that in the process of evolution and growth, it attends with pain. It attends with what?
With pain.
Then it can be example. Umntwana nakazala. Did you know umntwana nakazala bathi uvela intsatsana? What do you call it? Tserana, ngithi tsatsana mina. Uba umntwana ngathi uphatha idayera, uyahlanza, uyakhala, ulala bhodlela in, bhodlela out. Yini bese umama one experience ukuthi umvula la. Uyamilisa. Amen. I think you experienced that. Now, and the teeth or the tooth, they want to come out. They're like nama counselor. The tooth doesn't say, yeah, nyavela. They are penetrate, they are baba, they are saba, livela ngengani. Evolution is taking place. Nature is taking place. It's time, it's growing. Lalela, I told you, life and growth require pain and suffering. The child, the child just moshela, the child scream, the child roll. He doesn't understand himself. But what's happening? Evolution takes place. There's a growth. Something must be pain. Something must die in order for something to live. Bese uyasmile iyahleka bese akasakhali. Growth.
Amen.
You see, life and growth require pain and suffering. It's the same thing. I told you, within train, you start to feel the pain. It's the same thing with love and respect. When you turn into mazana nagakhula, nagaqala isikhathini uyathuka. Kenzekani? Mhlawumbe ubiza mama kenza into sosaba nokumtshela. Yabo, akekho umntwana naka isikhathini ajabule, ngesikhathini kunento emdisturbayo. And ufuna ukwazi ukuthi is it normal or what? Bese umama uhlala nayo uthi phela soyakhula. Be careful of boys. They carry dangerous toys. Bese aqala mtshela ukuthi lokho nalokho. But we realize then in the process of evoluting, bese yenzani uyaqala he or she start to adjust. But everything that start to grow, it comes with the pain. Amen. It comes with what? With the pain. What you must understand that in the process of evolution, growth attends with pain. Here's another one. Whenever there is pain, there is growth. Whenever there is growth, there is pain. Whenever there is pain, there is growth. Whenever there is growth, there is pain. So mama, when the pain is there, ask yourself, what is the growth? Because before I said the pain has two meanings. There's a pain of joy and there's a pain of disappointment. What kind of pain are you embracing? Amen.